Nothing beats the taste of a sun-warmed strawberry, freshly picked from your own garden. It's a simple pleasure that connects us to the earth and the seasons. Growing strawberries is easier than you might think, and with a little guidance, you'll be enjoying these delicious berries straight from the vine in no time. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, there's a strawberry growing method for you. Strawberries thrive in containers, raised beds, or directly in the ground. Imagine stepping outside and plucking ripe, juicy berries for your breakfast or dessert. That's the magic of growing your own. This step-by-step guide will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate a thriving strawberry patch. We'll explore everything from choosing the right variety to planting, watering, and nurturing your plants for a bountiful harvest. So let's put on our gardening gloves and embark on this rewarding journey together. Get ready to savor the sweetness of success, one delicious strawberry at a time. Strawberries crave sunshine, so choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunlight fuels photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into energy for growth and fruit production. Well-drained soil is crucial for healthy strawberry plants. Strawberries don't tolerate wet feet, meaning their roots will rot if the soil remains waterlogged for extended periods. To test drainage, dig a hole about 12 inches deep and fill it with water. If the water drains within an hour or two, your soil is good to go. If not, consider improving drainage by amending the soil with organic matter, like compost or aged manure, or by creating raised beds. Before you introduce your strawberry plants to their new home, it's essential to prepare the soil properly. This preparation ensures good drainage, provides essential nutrients, and creates an optimal environment for root development. Begin by removing any existing weeds or grass from the planting area. Weeds compete with your strawberries for water and nutrients, hindering their growth. Next, loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to a depth of about 12 inches. Now it's time to enrich the soil with organic matter. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of compost, aged manure, or other organic matter over the loosened soil and incorporate it thoroughly. Organic matter improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. Finally, rake the soil surface smooth, removing any large stones or debris. Your strawberry bed is now prepped and ready to welcome its new inhabitants. Selecting the right strawberry plants is crucial for a successful harvest. The choices you make now will determine the quality and quantity of your strawberries. Strawberries come in different varieties, each with its own unique characteristics, such as flavor, size, and time of fruiting. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best plants for your garden. There are 3 main types of strawberries: June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral. Each type has its own growth pattern and fruiting schedule. June-bearing strawberries produce one large crop of berries over a few weeks in the early summer. This type is ideal if you want a big harvest all at once. They are the most common type and offer that classic strawberry flavor. Many people prefer June-bearing strawberries for their rich taste and abundant yield. Ever-bearing strawberries produce 2 to 3 smaller crops throughout the growing season, typically in spring, summer, and fall. This allows you to enjoy fresh strawberries multiple times a year. They're a great choice for extending your strawberry harvest. With ever-bearing varieties, you can savor the taste of strawberries beyond just the early summer months. Day-neutral strawberries produce fruit consistently throughout the growing season, regardless of day length, as long as temperatures remain moderate. This means you can have a steady supply of strawberries. They're perfect for gardeners who want a continuous supply of fresh strawberries. Day-neutral varieties are excellent for those who love to have strawberries on hand at all times. When choosing your strawberry plants, consider your local climate, the amount of space you have available, and your personal preferences for flavor and fruiting time. These factors will help you select the best plants for your needs. Consult with your local nursery or garden center for recommendations on varieties that thrive in your area. They can provide valuable insights and tips to ensure your strawberry plants flourish. Section 5. Planting time. Get ready to transform your garden with vibrant strawberry plants. Now comes the exciting part: planting your strawberry plants. This is where the magic begins, and your garden starts to come to life. The best time to plant strawberries is in the early spring, after the last frost has passed, when the soil is workable and the weather is just right. Alternatively, you can plant in the late summer or early fall, allowing enough time for the plants to establish themselves before winter sets in. When you're ready to plant, dig holes slightly larger than the root balls of your strawberry plants. This gives the roots ample space to spread out and grow. Space the holes about 12 to 18 inches apart, depending on the variety and your desired plant density. Proper spacing ensures each plant has enough room to thrive. If you're planting in rows, allow 2 to 4 feet between rows. This spacing helps with air circulation and makes it easier to care for your plants. Gently remove each strawberry plant from its container, taking care not to damage the roots. Healthy roots are crucial for the plant's growth and fruit production. Place the plant in the hole so that the crown, the point where the roots meet the leaves, sits level with or slightly above the soil surface. This positioning is key to prevent rot and ensure healthy growth. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. This helps to eliminate air pockets and provide stability for the plant. Water your newly planted strawberries thoroughly, ensuring the entire root zone is moistened. Consistent moisture is essential for the plants to establish and grow strong. This initial watering helps settle the soil and encourages root establishment. A well-watered start sets the stage for a bountiful strawberry harvest. Section 6. Watering your strawberry plants. Consistent watering is crucial, especially during the first few weeks after planting and throughout the fruiting season. Strawberries prefer moist but not waterlogged soil. Water deeply and less frequently, rather than giving them frequent shallow waterings. Aim to provide your strawberry plants with about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, either from rainfall or irrigation. You can use a rain gauge to monitor rainfall or check the soil moisture by sticking your finger about an inch into the ground. If it feels dry, it's time to water. The best time to water your strawberries is in the early morning, allowing the foliage to dry throughout the day. Watering in the evening can create a humid environment that's conducive to fungal diseases. Avoid overhead watering, which can wet the leaves and fruit, making them more susceptible to disease. Instead, use a soaker hose or drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the soil at the base of the plants. Section 7. Feeding and mulching. Strawberries are hungry feeders, meaning they require regular fertilization to support vigorous growth and abundant fruit production. Feed your strawberry plants with a balanced fertilizer specifically formulated for berries or vegetables. Fertilize your strawberries about 3 to 4 weeks after planting and again after each harvest. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully for application rates and methods. Over-fertilizing can damage the plants, so it's better to err on the side of caution. Applying a layer of mulch around your strawberry plants offers numerous benefits. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weed growth, and regulates soil temperature. Use organic mulches such as straw, pine needles, or shredded bark, which decompose slowly and add nutrients to the soil as they break down. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your strawberry plants, keeping it a few inches away from the crowns to prevent rot. Replenish the mulch layer as needed throughout the growing season. Section 8. Keeping pests and diseases at bay. While strawberries are relatively easy to grow, they can sometimes fall victim to pests and diseases. Regularly inspecting your plants for any signs of trouble can help you address issues early on before they escalate. Common strawberry pests include slugs, snails, aphids, and spider mites. Slugs and snails can be controlled with beer traps or diatomaceous earth, while aphids and spider mites can be managed with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Diseases that can affect strawberries include powdery mildew, gray mold, and leaf spot. To prevent diseases, ensure good air circulation around your plants, avoid overhead watering, and remove any infected leaves or fruit promptly. Practicing crop rotation, planting strawberries in a different location each year, can also help prevent the buildup of pests and diseases in the soil. Section 9. Harvesting your bounty. After weeks of anticipation, the moment you've been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. It's time to harvest your delicious strawberries. This is the reward for all your hard work and patience. Strawberries are typically ready for picking about 4 to 6 weeks after flowering, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Keep an eye on the color and size of the berries as they develop. Ripe strawberries will be fully red, plump, and slightly soft to the touch. They should have a vibrant color and a sweet aroma. They should come off the plant easily with a gentle tug. If they resist, they might need a bit more time to ripen. Avoid picking strawberries that are still white or greenish, as they won't ripen further once picked. Patience is key to getting the best flavor. Harvest your strawberries in the morning, after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day. This helps to keep the berries firm and fresh. Use your fingers or a pair of small scissors to carefully remove the berries from the plants, leaving a short stem attached to each berry. This helps to prolong their freshness. Once you've harvested your strawberries, rinse them gently under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. Handle them with care to avoid bruising. Enjoy them fresh, straight from the garden, or store them in the refrigerator for later use. Fresh strawberries are a delightful treat. Strawberries are highly perishable, so it's best to consume them within a few days of harvesting. Check them daily, and remove any that show signs of spoilage. Congratulations on successfully growing your own delicious and nutritious strawberries. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and share them with friends and family.